Glory be to God for today. Here is Gabajun KDB trying to lay the blocks and then start shocking. Can you see the way I was shocking the block, trying to make it smooth? Yeah, with my shocking rod. Yeah. So do another movement. Can you see right there? Exactly. So now here is what I've done so far. Can you see how straighten the block are after setting it? Very perfect straighten work. Yeah. And everything is about maybe 200 blocks each. Can you see the environment, how it looks like?